Number one, putting up on a ramp. Two, we're gonna need a chair. Why? Because I'm too short. I'm 5'2". So now, we're going to clean up here. Let me get closer. And this one use 5W20. It's a 3.3 B6. So we open them up so air can go through and all the oil can come out. There's the oil stick. And these are the tools we're going to be using. Wrench, oil filter remover, 8 millimeters socket, and a funnel to put the oil in the truck. And that's what I like to use always. I like the mobile filters. And this is the new one, oil plug right there. And which this one still seems fine, but I don't know. I didn't have any issue taking it off, so I don't know. We'll see what's up. And we're going to be using 6/4 of Motocraft. That's what they're pretty much recommend for these cars, but honestly I still like to use a mobile one. But I only have 24,000 miles on this truck, so I prefer just to use what they recommend for it. So now we are under the truck. Already took out the shield. It's not even plastic. But well, here is the oil plug right here. So that's what we're gonna take off. We already bought a new one to replace this one. The oil filter is pretty nice access, pretty clean and spacey, so that won't be an issue taking off. I'm gonna put it right here, like that. I'm just gonna kick it. So right now, already twisted. It's gonna be really easy. It's coming out. Really slowly so we won't make a mess. I'm gonna take this off. Crank it a little higher. There we go. And we pull down. Our second oil pan. Now I got this in here already. So now we're gonna twist it to get it loose. It's hard to do things with one hand, but I don't have nobody to help me hold the camera. Now, there you go. See, oil starts dripping. Easy peasy. And then we take the oil filter off and we're gonna clean it. Be careful because it's pretty hot. Pretty hot. All right, and as soon as we take the oil filter off, we gotta make sure there is not seal stuck up here. So it looks clean, and the seal is right there. So we are good. So we just leave it here. All the oil is out. New filter done. Now we're gonna place the plug. We twist it. Now it's there. It's lined up with this piece in here. So now we're gonna clean up this really good. We're gonna place the oil and check for leaks. Now we're gonna place the oil. We're gonna get under again and check for oil leaks. We don't have nothing on the filter. And we don't have nothing on the plug. So we're good to go. We're gonna put everything back together. The oil filter life. We go to settings, advanced settings, vehicle, and then we go to oil reset. Already reset match is 100%, it's good to go.